Hi, this is 2019 to 20 GMTA Theory Test Level 3. I'll send you the copy of the answer sheets in Level 3 year training as well. But let's do the real part first. First thing, draw an enharmonic note to the right of each given note below. Use whole notes. So if you have a keyboard diagram from here, this is scratch paper you should ask for, okay? So G sharp, you may just draw on your own bigger one. However, I'm going to use the bigger one, easier for you to see. First one, G sharp, which is F flat, exactly the same note. Second one, C, ooh, in harmonic note, C. You may wanna do D flat flat or B sharp. There are two answers. It's kind of tricky, so let's try. Either B sharp, or you say it could be D flat flat, fine. D flat flat again, straight to the left hand side like that. Okay. If you want to write D sharp, then will be an X. This means double sharp. But we don't do double sharp like that, complicated. Sharp side, two sharp side, you give an X, but a two flat, that's it. However, I would prefer B sharp, which is in harmonic note, same as C. Good. Next one, E flat. E flat, which is D sharp. That's the only answer. Next one, triple clef, F. Again, F, you have either E sharp or G flat flat. I'll write down E sharp. Cool? Draw an harmonic note to the right of each given note below. It didn't say goes up or down, so either one work. Or this one could be also G flat flat, either way. Okay. Next, identify the following interval by writing the number of interval in the blank and circle the quality, major, minor, or perfect. Now let's count out this like this, okay? So we can have this one done quick. E to B, E, F, G, A, B, 5. Here, F, G, A, B. No matter it's B or B flat, 4. Next one, B, C, D, 3 notes. This triple clef, F, G, A, B, C, D, 6. G and A, second. Guess what? You only need to figure out these 3. For interval 4th and 5th, there is no way you could transform the perfect interval to major or minor. So the only answer is this 2. Is that easy? You don't have to count. Just give perfect 4th and perfect 5th. Good? Perfect to 4, perfect to 5th. That's the answer. Now, we have learned this before. C to D, major second, 0. C to E, 0. Half steps in between. Rest of it must be half 1. Octave, there are 2. We don't worry about octave. Anyway, perfect 4th, perfect 5th, major 6 and 7 must be 1 group of half step, which is either E, F, or B and C. Now let's figure it out. B to D, is there a half step in between? Yes, there is a 1. So B to D is actually minor third. Because major third, suppose 0 half steps. Now there is a 1. Major now miss 1 half step. It becomes smaller. So it's minor third. I can also show you the diagram, keyboard diagram. F to D, 6. We can go from F up to D. If there is 1 half step, then that's major 6. Yeah, B and C, one major. Is there any flower sharp sign? No, so that's a major 6. Cool. G to A. G to A. 0 sharp or flats to form major second, like C and D. Then the G to A also no half step in between. That's major second. I hope you understand. Get this quick. Next one, use the uppercase for major triad or lowercase for minor triad. How to identify? You know what? All major key signature, but only uppercase 1, 4, and 5. You only give uppercase to 1, 4, and 5. Rest of them lowercase 2, 3, 6, and 7. How to identify this? First of all, you already got key signature, A flat. So counting from A flat, A, B, C, D, E. The root E here is the 5th note of the A flat major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So uppercase 5. Make sense? B major. B is here. B to C sharp. Oh, that's the second one. So minor second. Okay, we already mentioned only 1, 4, 5 go with the uppercase. Rest of it all minor, all lowercase. Next one, G major. In bass clef, this is note D. So G is here. G, A, B, C, D. D, the 5th of the G major scale. So 5th. Good. Next one, E flat. This is note G. You might want to pull up to G here. E flat, E here. 1, 2, 3. G is a 3rd scale degree. And then you, based on the 3rd scale degree, build up a triad. Then that's the core 3. This again, G. We put the G here. And D major. D, E, F, G. 1, 2, 3, 4. The G is the 4th scale degree of G at D major. So write down uppercase 4. Good, that's easy. Next one, draw the stem on the following note head. For pairs of notes, connect the 2 stems with a beam. What's mean by beam? Let's figure out later. Form a pair of F note. If it's one single F note, this we call a flag. If 2 F notes beam together, we call this is a beam. Make sense? The horizontal line to connect 2 F notes means a beam. Okay, here lower than line 3. So uppercase, upper stem to the right. Here upper higher than line 3. So you give lower line to the left. Low night, upper line to the right. To the left. These 2 are both high notes. So you give down stem and then connect a little bit slide. Low notes, beam them together. Little bit slide up. These 2 low notes beam together like that. Okay, sorry I don't draw well. Someone beside me too annoying me. So good. Next one, draw the following cadences which in given major keys use root position, triad, and the extentals next to the notes. This is very, very complicated. And do not draw key signatures. Okay, what I mean by A half means you need to draw a half cadences in the key of A major. Half cadence is 1, 2, 5. Now, A major, starting the root A, first scale degree, 5, 5th scale degree, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, now build up the triad, space, 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 another space. You need to add a larger line. Now, in the key of A major, fat cat got dizzy after eating bugs. What do we have in the key of A major? I can tell you that's 3 sharp signs. Am I right? Find out the circle of it. Where is my picture? Oh, here we go. 3 sharp signs come with fat cat FCG. So now let's find out if there is FCG in the core. If yes, add the sharp sign to them. AC, there is a C, sharp sign. E, no. EGB, FCG, there is a G, so sharp sign. That's the answer. Okay? Next one, authentic. You need to identify the chord. Again, it's chord 5, 2, 1. 1, E flat major. 1 is E. E flat. Next one, E, F, G, A, B. B is the 5th note. So take B as the root. Now build up a triangle. Line, line, line. Line, line, line. We need to figure out what's the key signature in the key of E flat major. E flat major carry with the 3 flats. So we need a B flat, E flat, and A flat. We need to add the 3 flat sign to this chord. Is there a B in treble clef? Yes, this is the B. G, no. E already, we already got an E. Then B, D, F, there's a B. That's the answer. Okay, D and F, not here. So we don't need to worry about. So again, authentic cadence is a 4 to 1. Half cadence is 1 to 5. What did I say? 5 to 1, not 4 to 1. Authentic cadence is a 5, 5 to 1. And then half cadence is 1 to 5. Good. Next. Name the root of the following triad. You know what I will do? Move this one down. This is note A, then that's the root. Move this space note to the top, which is different from others. So the root become B. E, G flat, C, I'm sorry, in bass clef, G, B flat, E flat. This is a spatial one, so move it down, then that's become E flat. Move the space note, different from this 2 line notes. The C, move way up, octave higher. The root become F. These 2 are line notes, this is space, so move the G sharp down. Watch out, you don't just move G. The sharp sign come with the G, so you need to move them together. Answer is G sharp. That's quick, right? Next one, draw incorrect accidentals to make the following major triad. Correct. Okay. Major triad use uppercase or minor triad use lowercase. No matter is major or minor, what you have to figure out is the key signature. So we need to do this first. Draw the circle of 5th. Then secondly, we put a fat cat gets dizzy after eating bugs. D major, carry 2 sharps right here. Then it's a fat cat. Is there F? Yes. Is there a C? No, that's it. A flat major down here with the 4 flats. B, E, A, D. Is there a B? No. Is there an E? Yes. Is there an A? Yes. Is there a D? No, not worry. Okay. G sharp major. Wow. G sharp major. Where is that? There's no G sharp major. Well, why this is G sharp major? I think this is strong. Well, G sharp major means A flat minor. Draw incorrect to make the following major triad. I don't know. I think they might want you to do G sharp minor. Instead, they give uppercase. No, I don't think this one makes sense, okay? There's no G sharp major. The only thing you can do is A flat major. Then the chord is strong. There's no G sharp major key signature though. Check. C, G, D. Okay, how about this? I will change the answer. Change the question. I'll cross out the G. I'll cross out the sharp sign. So in the key of G major, we carry one sharp, which is F. F sharp. Is there an F sharp? No, then that's the answer. E major, 4 sharps. F, C, G, D. Is there an F in the bass clef? No. Is there a C? No. Is there a G? Yes. Is there a B? No. Last one is D. There's no D. So that's the answer. Now, even the last 3 go with the minor key, lowercase minor key. You still need to find out its major, relative major key. F sharp major, which is the relative minor key of A major. So A major go right here. A major carry 3 sharps, which is F, C, G. F, yes. C, yes. G, no. So that's it. B major, B minor. B minor is the relative minor key of D major. Come with the 2 sharps. So it's F and C. Is there an F? Yes. Is there an C? No. We just need 2, right? C sharp minor. C sharp minor, which is right here, is relative minor key of E major with the 4 sharps. So we need a fa, ca, gat, d, c. Is there an F? No. There's C? Yes. Sharp sign here. Is there G? Oh, yeah. And D? No. So don't worry about it. That's all. This is the answer. You need to be able to finish quick. Next one. Time signature 4/4. Count up to 4 bits. So write down the way you count at the bottom of the notes, okay? And then you say add a note, 1 note below the arrow to complete the major. So read the question first. See, this is 1 note. Below this one is 1 rest. So be careful the way it asks for. Now, time signature 4/4, 4 bits per major. 1, 2, 3, and we miss 4 and we miss this end, which is F note, half bit with a flag. Okay, this is definitely 1 bit. 2, this is 3, we need another 1 bit. 4, 1 here, this 2, this 3, 4, only F note. We need another F note to form the entire bit of 4. So another F note. This 4, 6 notes is bit 1. This is bit 2. 3, we miss bit 4. What kind of note gets 1 bit? A quarter. Those are time signature 4/4, no matter what. 2, 4, 3, 4, and 4, 4. I'm gonna review this with you, okay? 2, 4, F note, which is half beat, equal F rest. Those are half beat. 1 bit is a quarter note, and then quarter rest. 2 bits is a half note, then this is a half rest. Half rest, you write above line 3. Next one, 3 bits, dotted half note, dotted half rest. The last one, 4 bits, whole note, whole rest. Okay, now go to time signature 3A. Goodness, so 3 bits per major. However, F notes get 1 bit. No matter you have the notes in 3 bits, 6, 8, 9, 8, or 12, 8. Again, F notes is 1 bit. Quarter note, quarter rest, which is 2 bits. dotted a quarter note, dotted a quarter rest, which is 3 bits. There could be go up to 6 bits, which is dotted a half note, and then dotted a half rest. No, there's no dotted half rest. If the entire major is rest, and then you just put a whole rest on. Okay, that's 6 bits. Okay, now we only go up 3 bits, so you just need to worry about this 3 for now. This is time signature 3A, eighth note get 1 bit. This dotted a quarter may divide into a quarter note plus an eighth note. So 2 bits here plus 1, so total 3. This major is complete. So 1, 2, 3. Again, another 1, 2, 3. It already give you answer, dotted quarter note, 3 bits. Oh, I'm sorry, it say rest. So a quarter, dotted a quarter note, 3 bit, and what kind of rest? Also got 3 bits. Here we go, dotted a quarter rest. So just write it down like that. Again, 1, 2, 3. This is the 1 and 2. That's the end. Then we miss the 3rd bit. What kind of notes receive 1 bit here? An rest. 1, 2. This is again 3. This is 1. Here we miss bit 2 and 3. What kind of notes receive 2 bits? In time signature 3A, here you go. Quarter note receive 2 bits. So quarter note receive 2 bits. This is complete major. This is 1. You know what? You might not know. This is bit 3. This is bit 1 without a dot. With a dot, which is 1 and 2. That means, oh, this is hard. We meet another half bit. 1 bit, 1 asterisk. I made it all wrong. You know why? Wait a second. Let's figure out this first. 1 bit is 1 asterisk. Then divide into 2 will be 2 16 notes, right? So 1 asterisk is like this. 2 16 rest, just another line. So those are 2 16th. So this here we need to add the rest. Oh gosh, we need to add a 16 rest. I did it all wrong. 2 bits, quarter note become quarter rest. So quarter rest to receive 2 bits. And this one here, 1 quarter note. No, I need to transform it to quarter. 1 half note become 1 half rest. That's bit 3. Okay, so see, I made a mistake, but unfortunately I figured out. Rest 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Good. Okay, last page. Adagio. You know what? I don't like those terms. I like to go from here, the other side, then I cross the letter to the number. First one, repeat from the sign to the fine. Da, sign, the sing of the fine, which is A. Fast, allegro. I know that. Allegro, which is B to 11. Very slow, adagio. C to number 1. Don't mess up with the adagio and allegro, okay? Very loud means fortissimo. Very soft is pianissimo. Very loud, fortissimo, fortissimo. D go to 9. Loud is F, forte. Very loud is double forte. We name fortissimo again, 2S, okay? Moderato or walking speed, which is, this is not equal. But however, it could be moderato or andante, which is walking speed. Andante, E, go to number 10. Next one, gradually slowing down means retardando. F, go to number 2. See, you can go fast. Repeat from the beginning to the fine. Da capo a fine. This is G, go to number 6. Next one, in a singing manner. cantabile. Remember? Cantabile. So H, go to number 12. This is spatial one. We talk about it. Next one, little. Poco a poco, little by little. Remember what I say, you repeat. Poco a poco, little by little. Little means poco. I go to number 3, poco. This is the time signature 2 a la breve, means it's a cotton, or you say cotton. Where to go? J goes to here, number 14. Very fast and very soft. I don't know what's very fast. Allegro is fast. Even faster? Presto, remember? Okay, so K, go to number 4. Last one, very soft. Not last one. Very soft. So it's going to be pianissimo. Where is pianissimo go? There's no pianissimo. Here we go. L, go to number 5. Slow. I'm sorry, you know what, I made a mistake. Largo is very slow. Adagio is one step up. It means slow. Again, so, I was wrong. Very slow, go to largo, C. And then very slow, go to adagio. So we need to change the number 1 answer to M. Okay, I'm sorry. I will review this with you again. 1 second. Common time signature 4 N. Much. Again, moto, much. This is what you don't often sing, so you just need to memorize it. Okay, this is what I say. Poco. Opposite is moto. So you need to remember much against to what? Little. Now, about the tempo speed, go from slowest to fastest. So we have, again, largo, a little bit faster, adagio, a little bit faster to andante, a little bit faster, go to moderato, continue slightly faster, allegro. You might not know this one, it's okay. Continue allegro, continue presto, and the most, the fattest as vivace. Okay, anyway, that's the order of the speed. There are something else in between, but I think those are major ones you remember. Dynamics, PPP, triple P. Pianissimo. I don't know, actually. I don't know what this called. It's called triple piano. Continue. P. Oh, it's funny. PP means pianissimo. P, soft. Okay, so soft. Pianissimo is very soft. Continue. Mezzo piano. Medium soft. Mezzo forte. Medium loud. Go forte, continue fortissimo. There could be triple forte as well. Okay, we are done. Sorry, I did not mean to have you to do 2019 and 20. So if you don't get a chance to watch it, it's okay. I asked my friend for help to give me the practice test in 2018 to 19. Instead, she gave me 2019 and 20. Guess what? I never knew there is a test published, or you can give away to 2019 and 20. It's not a resource on our GMTA teacher guideline, teacher resource, nothing, this one. But my friend was the audition chair last year, so he got this treasure, newest test audition. Okay, so I hope this helped you out. I'm going to send you all the copies, and then if you have any question, you can ask me. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow at the Kennesaw State University. Good luck. Bye bye.